Coming to you live from Mississauga is the first ever Sunward Hobbies Chrome Rumble. In corner number 1, from Germany, the Revell 150 milliliter Chrome Spray. And his opponent, coming to you from the United States of America with an upside down label, is the Alclad 2 Chrome for Lexan 5114.
Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, here to pit these two metal heads together to see which chrome spray comes out on top. Alright, so I've just gone outside. You guys should try it sometime. And we're here to test out these two sprays. I've grabbed some random car body to test them out on. One side will be the Alclad, and the other side will be Revell. There, you can see it. So just a quick, brief rundown on these two. Revell's chrome spray is acrylic based, so obviously water based, less harmful fumes, and basically a nice beginner paint. And then there's Alclad, which traditionally are always lacquer. So of course, being lacquer based, the fumes will be a lot more, how should I say it, not for everyone. Very strong smell, but being that it is a much stronger paint, so it will never peel or chip. It's basically indestructible. Okay, well, let's get started then. I'll start with Revell. And of course, when you're using spray cans, you want to be more careful with it than if you were like airbrushing or something. You want quick, short bursts to avoid any pooling. Okay, here we go. I must say, so far that looks pretty good. Man, this focus sucks. So wet, it looks very nice, but we'll give that time to dry and see how it looks later on. And now time for Alclad. So Alclad actually doesn't look quite as mirror-like as Revell, but in my opinion, it looks a little more realistic. See, it looks like it's leveling itself out now. And the Revell looks like it still needs some time to dry. And it's kind of a toss-up right now, but I think once it's all fully dry, we'll have our final verdict. Okay, stay tuned. And the winner is... I'm not even going to bother picking, because if I choose one side, then the other side's just going to complain and tell me how stupid my mother is. So I'll just leave it up to you. If you are looking for a spray paint with less harmful fumes and more luster to it, then Revell is your winner. However, if you're looking for a spray paint with a more realistic finish and of course a tougher material, then go with Alclad. But regardless, they're both excellent spray paints and we just happen to sell both of them. So debate for yourself and pick them up at Sunward Hobbies in store or online. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and until the next one, adios.